guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video I'm excited about. Y'all know I love City Beauty, so today we are going to talk about my 6 must-have favorite products that I use every single day. Regardless of whether I'm putting a full face of makeup on or whether I'm having a no makeup day. 6 products that are game changers for me. So I want to share those with you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. So before I get barefaced, I want to tell you the reason I chose to do the video today is because City Beauty is having a site-wide 30% off sale. Hey, who doesn't love a sale? I love a sale. Especially, y'all know, look, if you've been watching my channels, 95% of my skincare is probably City Beauty. I love their products. If I did not love them, I would not use them. There are products that they do have that do not work for me. For instance, the mascara doesn't work for me. But there are products that are absolute gold standards and that I stand behind 100%. And today I'm going to share the 6 products that I use every single day. That doesn't mean there aren't other products that I use. I do. For instance, the Line Smoothing Hydro Mask, but I don't use it every day, of course. So that's not in this video, but that is absolutely a favorite as well. But we're going to talk about the 6 products that I use on a daily basis, and some I've used for years, and one I just recently added to my skincare anti-aging arsenal just about 2 months ago. So we're going to talk about that one as well. All right, let's get barefaced and get started. All right, now, why did I choose these 6 products? There are other products that I use from City Beauty, but I wanted to share with you the 6 products moving from winter into spring that I use every day, regardless of whether it's a no makeup day or a full glam day. I use these 6 products every single day. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I just have the top portion of my eyes done. I have nothing else on my face. We're gonna do it together. And I'm gonna show you the products in the order that I put them on. So we are going to start with a new product. This product I've been using for about 2 months. I've been testing it out. It is called the Dermal Reset Exfoliating Concentrate. So aside from having a very long name, what does it do? Well, exfoliate. That's the big key word in there. So it's an AHA, an alpha hydroxy acid. So this is a powerhouse. I'll go over the ingredients with you. It's in a pump format, so I'm going to put this on so that it has time to sink in. I, at this point, use 2 pumps, and I put it on morning and night. You want to stay away from the mouth and the eyes with this because it is an AHA. So I go ahead and put that on all over, and then what's left I put on the back of my hands. So I'm going to let that sink in. Now, what are the big ingredients? There's a lot of powerhouse ingredients in here. So I love that it is chock full of anti-aging ingredients. It is azelaic acid, glycolic acid, there's hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, squalene. These are just some of the powerhouses. There's a lot. So again, morning and night, you start off slow to make sure your skin adheres to it. So you might start off once or twice a week. I do it now every day, twice a day. The one thing is, with an AHA, you must use sunscreen. You should be using sunscreen anyways, but if you use this, you must use sunscreen as well. All right, now, so once that's on, the next thing that I put on is City Beauty's Uplift Firming Serum. So I have 2, well, I have more than 2, but I have one in the beauty room in my refrigerator. So in the morning, and this just comes out in a dropper format. Look at that, luscious. And this feels so good when it's been in your mini fridge. It feels so great on the skin. What's the purpose of the Uplift Firming Serum? Pretty much says it all. It's a concentrated formula that's meant to lift and firm your skin. So you put it on, and within about 20 minutes, you will notice that there's just this slight lifting and firming effect. You're not gonna feel it. It's not gonna feel like, you know, no. It's just this beautiful serum that makes your skin have that beautiful plumping, firming look. While those are sinking in, the next thing that I do is I will put on my City Beauty Brow Boost. City Beauty Brow Boost. So I, as always, am always completely honest with you all. I have fairly full and natural eyebrows, but so I don't really get them done or anything like that. I will pluck a stray hair occasionally that I may get. But what I noticed was as I was aging, they were thinning. And they just didn't feel as dark and luxurious as they were when I was younger. So I started trying the Brow Boost, and the Brow Boost, it has just a little baby applicator like you would a mascara, and all you do is go across your eyebrows. It's as simple as that. This is done twice a day, so morning and night. Now, truth be told, sometimes I forget to do it at night, but I do it during the day because one, it just smooths the eyebrows down. Obviously, the ingredients are helping to give a more full look to my eyebrows. Now, I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in chocolate. Since using this product, I no longer use it. It just sits there because I don't need it. The reason that I used it was just to fill it in a little bit. I wasn't having to draw full-on eyebrows, y'all. I have good eyebrows. But again, they were thinning. So I would use it to darken them and help fill in those little sparse areas. I no longer do that. So I'm gonna zoom you in. And these are my eyebrows with absolutely nothing on but the City Beauty Brow Boost. All right, the next favorite, City Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss. This is their first product that they ever came out with, and it is by far, in my opinion, the best plumping lip gloss out there. There's no reason for needles and injections, in my opinion, when you can get a beautiful plumped lip with something as simple as a lip gloss. You will see, I had no pigment before. You saw the video, no pigment. Just wait. It will bring a flush of pigment. It is amazing. So I love that. That is number 4. Now number 5 is by far my most favorite product that City Beauty has ever done. All right, Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. What is it? It's a multitasker, that's for sure. Broad spectrum sunscreen, meaning it's protecting you from UVA and UVB rays. Comes in a pump format, slightly tinted. This is a game changer, y'all. If you're out there and you don't wear makeup, you are going to love this because not only is it a sunscreen, but it is also a pore, they say minimizer, I say pore eraser. I no longer use pore fillers. So I love the Tarte pore filler. No, I just don't use it. There's not a reason to use it. So I put it all over. I will put some on my neck. I usually go down my décolleté, but I had this little baby right here frozen off. It was a little precancerous cell. So I'm not gonna go all the way down. I'm just gonna do my neck because I only had it done a week ago or a couple weeks ago. So it's still healing. And look at this. Look how wonderful the skin looks. It has this slight tint to it that sort of makes you look a little pale. I'm gonna show you how to fix that really easy if you're doing a no makeup day. But otherwise, it feels so good, you guys. If you try nothing else during this sale, try this. One, you need it. It's a sunscreen, right? We're heading to spring. We should be wearing sunscreen 365 days a year anyways, but certainly as the weather heats up and the sun is brighter, we definitely need to be wearing it. But what you will notice is not only is it just not only is it protecting your skin, there's anti-aging properties in it. So the more you use it, the better your skin's going to look and feel. It's a game changer in my opinion. It's such a big multitasker. I love that. So I let it sink in for a little bit, and you can see I look pale. Does my skin look good though? But I look a little pale. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little luminescing lotion. So I love the one, I think this one is the best, from L'Oreal. This is called the Glotion, and I get mine in 903. So take a little bit, okay? And then you can mix it with your foundation, or if you're doing a no makeup day, just add it right on top. And see how it's so beautiful. This is such a beautiful product. And that way you have this beautiful, natural glow to the skin. And your skin will feel, by the way, amazing because of the Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. It will feel so good. I'm going to zoom in to the lips. It's been on for a few minutes. And this is literally, look at that. The flush of color. It looks like I have lip gloss, like it looks like I have a colored lip gloss on. I do not. This is purely my own pigmentation. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on, and I will be back, and then we will talk about the last product. All right, y'all, so face done. What is the last product? City Beauty's Hand Restoring Cream. This is a wonderful, oh my gosh, this is the best hand cream I've ever used because it's not just a hand cream. So let me just show you. It comes out in a little white cream here, and I just take my hands and rub the back of them together. So what makes this hand cream special? Well, it's not just moisturizing the hands, which it does it very well, in fact. But the other thing that it does is because it has anti-aging properties, it helps with the crepiness of the back of our hands. You know, the skin on the back of our hands gets thinner, so we're able to see those lovely blue lines and the age spots. It helps with all of that. So it has a plumping effect, as well as helping to minimize the dark spots that we get as well. So this is an absolute love this, must have. I keep it on my nightstand. So after I take a shower in the morning, I put it on, and then just before bed, I put it on. All right, guys, so that's it. Those are my 6 favorite City Beauty products, whether I'm wearing a full face of makeup or whether I'm doing a no makeup day. I use these 6 products every single day. So those are my 6 favorite products. Don't forget, today and tomorrow only, 30% off City Beauty products. So now is the time to try something new. Now is the time to stock up. And it is site-wide. It's not just my 6 favorite products, it is site-wide. So if you've never tried the line smoothing hydro mask, oh my gosh, game changer. It's not one I use every day, so it's not part of this video, but it is part of the sale, and it is absolutely the best face mask you will ever try. It's the best face mask I've ever tried, and it will feel like nothing else. It is amazing. So all their products, 30% off. Link is in the description box. Just open it up. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do take a moment and give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.